Welcome to our video on understanding the 2-year foreign residency requirement on your J-1 visa. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know about the 2-year rule. In today's video, we'll start with an introduction to the 2-year rule, then move on to when the requirement applies and what you can do if it appears incorrectly. We'll cover important points to remember and finish with tips on seeking help. The 2-year foreign residency requirement applies to J-1 visa holders under Section 212E of the Immigration and Nationality Act. This rule mandates that you return to your home country for at least 2 years post the completion of your J-1 program. This is required before you can apply for certain other U.S. visas, such as H or L visas, or seek adjustment to a permanent resident status, i.e., obtain a green card. This requirement is generally triggered if you received funding from your government or the U.S. government, or if your field of expertise is on your home country's skills list, indicating a need for your skills. The diagram illustrates when the 2-year foreign residency requirement applies for J-1 visa holders. It starts with assessing if the individual received government funding or if their field is on their home country's skills list. If either condition is true, it leads to the requirement of returning to their home country for 2 years. This visual representation clarifies the conditions that trigger the requirement. If the 2-year residency requirement appears incorrectly, firstly verify that there is an actual oversight. Sometimes, initial assessments may seem off but are valid. If you believe there's an error, it's best to consult an attorney for legal advice. You should also contact relevant authorities like the U.S. Department of State, or the U.S. Consulate or Embassy where you applied for your visa, or the program sponsor listed on your DS-2019 form. Remember, the initial marking on your visa is a preliminary determination. A final decision happens when you apply for another visa type. Skills lists can evolve with changes in immigration laws, so it's important to verify how they may impact your situation. Always act promptly and gather all relevant documentation. What should you do if the 2-year foreign residency requirement seems incorrectly applied? Option A. Ignore it. It may resolve itself. Option B. Verify the situation and consult an attorney. Option C. Wait until your next visa application submission to clarify. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B. Verify the situation and consult an attorney. It is crucial to verify the situation, as initial assessments could be incorrect. Consulting an attorney can provide clarity and the correct direction to address any errors. In summary, understand the conditions that trigger the 2-year foreign residency requirement. Always ensure the requirement isn't mistakenly applied, and consult legal professionals for guidance if you suspect errors. Finally, stay updated with any changes in your country's skills list that might affect your visa status. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.